Hi, I'm Anthony Hirika, an applications engineer with Freescale Semiconductor, and I'm here today to continue demonstrating the MQX labs available for the TWR-MCF51CN-KIT. If you haven't already, please view the Lab 1 video to learn the basics of the tower system. Lab 2 has the same home security system as Lab 1, but this lab displays the status information on a web page served by the MQX web server. Follow the directions from Lab 1 to install Code Warrior, connect the tower modules, and plug in the cables. Then open up the security web server project as described in Lab 2 and configure the IP address if needed. Finally, compile and run the project as you did in the previous lab. Open up a web browser and go to the address 169.254.3.3. The web pages that appear are programmed into the internal flash memory on the MCF51CN-128 processor. Try pressing the buttons and tilting the board. You will see the state of the inputs change and a log of the actions performed will be updated. You can also click on the links to the left to get more information on the MCF51CN-128 microprocessor and the tower system. Next, let's take a quick look at the MQX code. This lab is very similar to the previous Telnet lab and runs the same initialization routines, which are located in Webserver demo.c. However, after the network initialization, a trivial file system is started. The TFS is a read-only file system that is used to read the HTML files that are stored as byte arrays in the flash. Finally, the last section of code in the main task configures and starts the web server. Also take a look at CGI-index.c to see how dynamic data is sent out via HTTP to a web browser. With the web server running, you can go to 169.254.3.3/secdata.cgi to see the data change every time you refresh the page. That concludes Lab 2. Let's continue on to Lab 3, which demonstrates sending email over your local Ethernet network.